CarlBot can automatically send them a custom welcome message with their name, a link to your rules, your server's branding, and anything else you want. No manual work, no bots to babysit. This video shows you exactly how to set it up in under 5 minutes. Part 1. Create a welcome channel. Before setting up the welcome message, you need a channel for it to appear in. Most Discord servers use a channel called Welcome or Start Here. In your Discord server, click the plus icon next to text channels and create a new channel named Welcome. Once the channel is created, right-click it and select Edit Channel. Go to the Permissions section. Add the @everyone role, enable View Channel, and disable Send Messages. This keeps your welcome channel clean. New members can see the welcome messages, but they can't chat inside the channel. Part 2. Open the CarlBot dashboard. Now open your browser and go to carl.gg. Click Login in the top right corner and sign in with your Discord account. After logging in, you'll see a list of your Discord servers. Click Manage on the server where you want to configure the welcome message. This opens the CarlBot dashboard for your server. Part 3. Setting up the welcome message. In the left sidebar, click Welcome and Leave. This section controls both welcome and leave messages. First, make sure the welcome toggle is turned on. It's disabled by default. Next, select your welcome channel from the channel dropdown. Now it's time to create your welcome message. Delete the default message and write your own. CarlBot supports variables that automatically personalize each message. User mentions the member who just joined. Server automatically displays your Discord server's name. Member count displays the current number of members in your server. A simple example would be, welcome to server, user, your member number, member count. Head over to the rules channel and grab your roles to get started. You can also choose whether the message appears as a normal message or an embed. Embeds have a cleaner layout with a colored border and support additional customization. Enable the embed option if you want a more professional appearance. You can customize the embed by adding a title, selecting a color, and uploading a thumbnail, such as your server logo. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. Your welcome message is now active. Part 4. Setting up a leave message. While you're already in the Welcome and Leave section, you can also configure a leave message. Scroll down until you reach the Leave section. Turn the Leave toggle on. Choose the channel where the leave message should be sent. Many servers use the same welcome channel, while others prefer a dedicated log channel. Write your leave message using the same variables if needed. For example, user has left the server. We now have member count members. Click Save to enable the leave message. Now both your welcome and leave messages are configured. Part 5. Test it. Always test your setup before considering it finished. The easiest method is to join the server using an alternate Discord account or ask a friend to join temporarily. When they join, the welcome message should appear automatically in your welcome channel. You'll notice that CarlBot automatically replaces the variables with the member's name, your server name, and the current member count. If the welcome message doesn't appear, there are 2 things you should check. First, make sure CarlBot has permission to send messages in your welcome channel. Open Edit Channel, go to Permissions, add the CarlBot role if needed, and enable Send Messages. Second, go back to the CarlBot dashboard and make sure the welcome toggle is turned on and that you clicked Save after making your changes. Most welcome message issues are caused by one of these 2 settings. Your CarlBot welcome message is now live. Every new member who joins your Discord server will automatically receive a welcome message without any manual work from you. Next in the CarlBot series, you'll learn how to create reaction roles, allowing members to click an emoji and automatically receive roles. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if your welcome message still isn't working, leave a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot it.